Welcome to the ITSM Academy, and thank you for watching this video. My name is Tony and I am a software support engineer at IBM. After watching this video, you will be able to successfully import the OMNIbus reports into your TCR server so they are ready to run. I hope you find this useful. For this video, $Cognos Home has been set to the JASSM reporting Cognos directory. $OmniHome has also been set for ease of use. The Netcool OMNIbus reports are included by default with version 8.1 and they are stored in $extensions/TCR_events_reports. Apply Fixpack 16 to your distribution in order to access updated reports which have had a bug with the date display resolved. To begin, copy the latest reports from $OmniHome/extensions/TCR_event_reports to $Cognos Home/deployment. Go to the Reporter page and select Administration. In Administration, select Configuration to show the defined data sources, and to the left of that, select Content Administration. In the administration page, you will see any packages that have been previously imported. If a folder gets deleted from the reporter page, it can be replaced by replaying the import from there. Select New Import to see the packages that are currently in the $Cognos Home deployment directory and select the one you want. Select Next. On the next page, give the import a name. I've called this one Netcool_Omnibus_updated. Give it a description or a screen tip and select Next. The next page allows you to select the folder name that the reports will be copied into. This is the folder that will appear on the reporter homepage. You can accept the default or click on the pencil icon to create a folder name of your choice. You have to remember to select it though by checking the box, otherwise the reports will not be imported. Select Next on this page and also on the two screens that follow, and then on the final screen select Finish. The next page will show the parameters that you have selected, and you now have the option to run the import. Select Run and OK on the next page. Once the import is complete, you'll see it in the administration page in addition to any others that were previously there. Click on the Home button to go to the Reporter homepage and click on the Netcool OMNIbus folder to see the new reports.
Thank you for watching this video from the IBM Academies. We really appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. If you enjoyed this video, we would love you to check the thumbs up button. We have added several helpful links to the comments box which will take you straight to our blogs and other videos. Thanks again for watching.